Make a great choice today with the 2018 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sunroof, electronic stability control, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, power tailgate, auto headlight on/off, power sunroof, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.